4 times 15 equals 60. 2 deep equals 30 sheets-ish.
Okay.
But
And
we're like 13'7" long, so we're cutting sheets anyway.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call out 13'7", and I'm gonna be right on the money.
13.7.
13'7" is what I'm calling.
so it sounds to me like you guys are planning on doing one side today.
Well, I don't know. I don't know how long we got Jason for. Jeez, he's putting the day
You've been
in.
here like all day.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, I mean it's ready to sheet now, so it's
Nice.
if you want
He's
to.
excited.
Well, yeah, it's not like that.
I'm not doing anything, dude. I mean, are you hungry? You want to eat something real quick?
Yeah, you want me to
Take
get you a
little
sandwich
short
or
break?
something?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, let's do that. Just take a short break, dehydrate, cool off. Let's make you a sandwich or something real quick, dude. And then
It's cheating time. Is that what you call it?
eating time.
Nice. Is there room for me to go up there with you?
Wait till we get a couple of seats up there. Okay.
Alright.
Hang on.
Fine.
Sorry. There's not gonna be a lot of room.
No, it's fine. I get it.
We got to get a couple of seats started, and then we'll get a rhythm, and then we'll have everything free.
So he's marking those lines because you guys are going to nail those with the nail gun, right?
Yep. He's laying out all of our girts. We're straightening everything out as we go. That's why we're doing layout. That way we get rid of all the bows in the wood.
That gets rid of all the bows in the wood by doing that? Wow. That's
Straightens
cool.
everything out.
Nice.
Okay, you want to tack that corner.
Brave.
Are you tied up there on your edge?
Yep.
Okay,
Good.
Yeah. Well, heavy foot just needs to be careful. He's in a big bay. to 70, dude. Okay, hang on. Let me cut this. I'll go down. I'll turn it down, okay? Hang on. Exactly what I got, 15 and a quarter.
Yeah, it's right on there.
15 and 3/8, so.
Yeah, let me
Yeah, I will definitely pull it a gap a little bit because we were clearly going down, so you know what I mean.
Yeah, I just need to get
This running like this. Okay. Can you eyeball this? Make sure I don't need to come up or do something a little different. Like, tack yours where you want it in that corner.
Okay, oh, okay, go up.
Holy shit, dude, look how far down.
Oh, right there.
That's a big step. Why? Step is so much. Now, I'm 3/16 short, so.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm a little shorter than 4 foot.
oh, okay, that would
That's okay. It's
that'd
okay.
be perfect.
I just want to make sure I'm double checking why that's doing that. Go ahead and nail that corner.
Squeeze my hand over.
Do I
This looks good here, but that one is, I don't know what's going on. If it needs to,
needs to come down. I
This
see
needs-
it already.
yeah.
That needs to pull down.
yeah, that needs to pull down. So I'll
That's
do
that
that now.
corner. Now, I'm going to open this up a little bit.
Yeah, let me add.
So hang on. Let me give it a gap. Okay.
Oh, I thought you were gonna just let me nail that one with duct tape.
The next pull down too. Well,
Right there.
well, I just know that we're kind of traveling this way. That's why I moved that over. And then this guy right here. Not sure what's going on.
Yeah. Sight that here a little bit, or
Yeah.
well, it's kind of it needs to come out
Like that.
Let's see, it needs to come out.
Yeah.
But it's right on this sheet, so it's kind of different.
Oh yeah, a little bit. I see.
See that?
Yeah.
I don't know if
It's
it's
57?
67.
67. What does that mean?
That's what he needs to finish there.
Oh, that last section?
Oh, we're just coming up with average numbers. The first bay and the second bay are going to repeat over and over and over.
Oh, right. Right.
So we're just going to continue to cut the same number, the same dimension.
Right. Should be.
The roof is in good shape. We
Yeah.
don't have to change anything. It may go like this a little bit, but we're straightening all that out. If it ends up being a little short, that's fine.
Yeah.
We just can't let it get too long, right? Or we'll start getting into our siding.
rapid fire this guy.
factory edge to factory edge. Cleaner seam. So
unless you're just like a magician on the saw, you can just cut really super straight. If I take my time, I can. I'm not going to.
oh, I see. So it's the straightest edge to the straightest edge, basically. That's what I'm getting out of that.
That is where the rafters and the blocks are over there.
The rafters and the block.
Yeah, the rafters. You gotta know where to nail it.
Okay.
So, have you seen this magic trick? So, what year were you born?
1972,
Okay. So, what year is it now?
2023.
So, we're going to go to, they were representing 2000. We're going to go through 2023, right?
Yeah.
Now find your age. Find the year you were born. No match up.
Find the year I was born.
Yep. Right across from that will be your age.
Oh, okay, so 70. Close.
Close. 2023 is exact.
Well, I guess I'll be that age this year. Okay, you're right.
Yeah, there you go. That would be 1990. How old were you in 1990? Look at the year.
1990?
The year you were born.
Oh, the year I was born?
And that's how old you
38. Oh, weird. Weird.
Jason's one who got fired.
He's been here all day.
Yeah, he didn't get to take a break like I did.
Guess who gets to help today? I get to be a little helper today on the building of our shop, so I'm excited, and I get to learn. So we got one side down.